Music rocks! Yeah!
Fuck, we're rolling.
Oh, jeez, sorry. Is my tie straight?
Yeah, it looks great. Go ahead.
Now let's try to play Hot Cross Buns at 60 beats per minute.
Here we go. Remember, before we start, we count to 4, and then we start playing. I like to get my fingers set up like this on E. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Give yourself a round of applause or try again. Good job.
Everybody, great job. That's it. Nice work. Real solid. Great.